Hello, now let me demonstrate to you how to process this algorithm. Okay, remember we have to go line by line. Okay, so let's trace the flow diagram. Okay, now set counter equals to 1, so counter equals to 1. Alright, now we get to the do while counter less than 5. Now 1 is less than 5, so we will go here. Okay, so what's the first thing we do? We shout counter. Now what's the value of counter? It is 1, so we will shout 1. Okay, now we will perform the big jump. Woo! Okay, and then now we will do counter equals to counter plus 1, which will give us 2. Alright, and then we will hit the loop, and then we'll go all the way back up, and we'll check the condition again. So now we're checking the condition again, right? So 2, counter the value is 2, right? So 2 is less than 5. And so because 2 is less than 5, we'll go down here. Again, we shout counter, which is 2. And then we'll perform the big jump. Woo! Okay, and now we'll do counter plus 1, which will give us 3. Alright, and then now we do the loop again. Alright, now that we're back here, what do? Counter, the value is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So we'll continue to repeat. So we'll go down here, we'll shout counter 3. Alright, and then we'll once again do another big jump. Woo! Okay, and then we'll go down, counter plus 1, which will give us the value of 4. Okay, and then we'll do the loop, and then we go up here, and ta-da! Okay, now what is the value of counter? Counter, the value is 4. So 4 is less than 5, right? So the condition is met. So we'll continue to run everything that's inside. So we'll shout counter, which is 4. And we'll do the big jump. Woo! Okay, and then we come back here. And then counter plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, then we go up, loop. Now that counter is 5, we need to ask ourselves this question. Is the value less than 5? No, right? Counter is 5, so it's not less than 5, so we cannot go here anymore. We will have to go here, which is the end. And there you have it. This is how we read the do while loop.